Megeen official store. We actually got 3 bundles of 26 and 20 inch 13 by 6 HD lace frontal. We only ended up using one bundle. I didn't bleach the knots, so I just went ahead and tinted the lace. And also, I'll be showcasing my girl Diamond XO here. She sells beauty products for lace. So I picked up some edge control, actual glue, elastic band with the comfortable ears, some wax stick, liquid gel from her. She also sells human hair if anyone is interested. Definitely check her out. I'll put her information down in the description below. So I already went ahead to straighten my girl's hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and slick back the hair, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch the video. Enjoy. unfortunately I lost the clip of the part where I was installing the ponytail, so I literally just used some rubber band at the ends of the back of the hair for the ponytail, and I just installed the ponytail. I sewed it in because I didn't want to use glue, because we're gonna end up using the hair again to make a wig for the next style for the hair. So I just sewed it in. Unfortunately I did not have a clip for that part, but that's it guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.